Hi, Phil Hundl here with Land Rights Law with a quick pipeline update. We're talking about the BANGL Pipeline operated by Marathon. It's referred to by the right-of-way acquisition agents and BANGL and Marathon as the Sweeney to Texas City. It's a 20-inch diameter line. A large part of it runs through Brazoria County. And so right now, if you're a landowner, you've been contacted already. You've received initial offer letters or a packet, and also at this point you should have already received a final offer letter. And now what is happening is what the attorneys are doing, and the attorneys at Jackson Walker are handling this. I'll refer to it as a BANGL project because it appears that BANGL LLC, which is related to or connected to WhiteWater Midstream, is going to be the condemnor in this case. But as mentioned, it appears it will be operated by Marathon. Now, this is not the first time that BANGL and Marathon have been involved in a project together. An earlier BANGL project that many of you are aware of was then transferred over the operation to Marathon. So if you see all these different logos and different energy companies or pipeline company names, don't be confused by that. But if you have received a petition or final offer letter, it's really important for you to review that and understand exactly what they're planning to do on your property. How wide is the permanent easement area? What we are seeing is in most of the tracks is 50 foot wide. Also pay attention to the width of the temporary workspaces or temporary easements. And if there's any surface sites or permanent access roads, temporary access roads on the plat that would be on your property, that's important to know, and you need to know about that. Regarding the appraisal, obviously look at the appraisal, make sure that it's accurate and correct to the facts. Is it referring to the correct property, your property? Does their appraiser that they've hired, has he gotten the acreages correct? All that type of information, and if there are any encumbrances or other easements on the property, has all that been taken into consideration by the appraiser? Those are all things that you want to read, review, understand, and more importantly, you need to talk to an attorney that handles eminent domain cases about the appraisal that they provided and the petition, and that's going to be information that your attorney is absolutely going to want to review and discuss with you and explain to you your rights and the condemnor's obligations in this whole condemnation process.